Hi everyone, Librarian Jennifer back again for another episode of STEAM at Home. Today we're going to make a harmonica using just a couple of big popsicle sticks, also known as tongue depressors, a couple pieces of straw, and some rubber bands. So super easy one. Here we go. First, put a rubber band, a fat kind of thick one. I think these are called size number 64 if you are curious. Stretch that lengthwise right over the top of one of your sticks. Then you're going to stick your little pieces of straw underneath that. Now you're going to put your other stick right on top, kind of like a sandwich. I'm going to move my straws kind of to the middle. And now I'm going to take my other rubber bands and I'm just going to put them right around the ends. And now, when we blow through the little hole we have here, it should make a harmonica sound. And when you move your straws, you should end up with different pitches. Okay, so let's see if this works. Okay, so that's not bad. Sounds a bit more like a kazoo than a harmonica, but yeah, that totally kind of sort of worked. So if you are watching on YouTube, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you are on Facebook, please share, leave us a comment below, let me know what you're creating at home. And don't forget to stop by the library every Monday to pick up your Take and Make craft kits for summer reading. And keep reading because you will win some prizes that way. Either a Kindle Fire is our grand prize or a birthday party at the Children's Museum. So in the meantime, this is Librarian Jennifer signing off, and I will see you guys next Wednesday. Bye!